Cool. So looking at the dollar index, we are hitting on a monthly low currently, right? Yesterday's gap was filled over here, but not fully filled. So we need to cover this point, right? Technically, so we need to cover this point. So we're expecting for the day a rise in the dollar index up to this level. It won't be a major rise. It's just going to be about if I were to take from previous about 196. So basically 200 ticks worth of the strength that the dollar needs to gain for the day, right? For those who understand intraday trading the way I teach it, you will see from the low here to the movement of the high over there that we are currently at the OTE zone, right? So should there be a major movement on the dollar index, we're looking to get to this point, right? So getting to that point, it shows a significant move now with proper analysis now that we are looking about 400 ticks worth of the strength of the dollar, right? 400 ticks. What can happen is that before 12, something like this can happen in that we can reach this level and then take off to the downside to kind of like fool traders. That's what the market makers would always want to do, right? To kind of like fool traders at this point. Then we'll be looking for a bullish movement, right? So if I were to also add some, you know how I like to use the RSI to look at the pure strength of a particular pair, you understand with the market convergence and divergence that we are in the right direction, right? Looking at it, we are in a bullish convergence in that in this area here, we have a strong horizontal push, which is a double bottom, if you like, right on the dollar. However, with the strength, you can see the RSI gaining strength in that point. So we're expecting a strong dollar for the day, right? Obviously, it won't be that easier or clear. So that is where our first initial takeoff of the trading plan starts. You see, that's where we're looking at, you see. So on an overall, with the dollar index, on an overall, when you look at on a daily chart, you see the formation or the reversal of the candlestick. You see, that rejection on its own, it's on the OTE zone, right? Let me just quickly remove this and just show you from the low up to the high, the rejection exactly at the optimal entry point, you see. So definitely we are looking for the strength of the dollar, right? So in the next couple of weeks, the dollar will surely strengthen. You see, just that right now, as traders, especially as institutional traders, they do not know who's supposed to win, who's going to win the elections, given that there's still an appeal and all that. And now, if you're managing something like $1 billion under your management, you don't want to stay in this type of environment, you see. So that is why you won't consider gold as a safe haven. You won't consider NASDAQ as an investment. You see, so this is our starting point. We are looking to have a strengthening dollar market, right? So with that being said, allow me to go to Euro USD now. Going to Euro USD, I'm seeing quite a lot of rejection. Let me take this off because those who are just coming in, this is our trading plan for the day, right? So already I've analyzed Euro USD with myself. I've already entered here at the top on the bigger account, right? At the rejection of the sell side liquidity. And then with the small account, I just put now a sell stop. I put a sell stop at 1.18520. That is my sell stop. The sell stop is exactly at the OTE with the Fibonacci from the low, from the high to the low. Look at the OTE zone. Obviously, that is where the sell side liquidity lied at the point in time. And then a safer entry with the continuous break of the candle will be at 1.18520, right? And the ultimate take profit now, the ultimate take profit is here on the minus 61.8. So in terms of the overall opportunity for the day, or the overall opportunity of the sell of the Euro USD, we are looking for about 211, if you may, 220 pips. So this is about 2,200 worth of an opportunity, you see. So I'm talking about from the beginning, you see, 2,200 worth of an opportunity, you see. So use proper risk management. At this point in time, I wouldn't ask you to risk a lot because of the way the market is unsettled. You see, so do not risk a lot. Just be risk averse. However, take advantage of the opportunities. This is Euro USD sell stop. The encouraged TP here will be here. This is where the market is expected to about retest. However, because of the low movement in the market, this can retest and come back and form a bit of divergence, you see, a bullish divergence. So I don't want you to be targeting this point yet. All you can do, execute your trade, let it come to this point, and then when it comes to this point, close 50% of the profits. You see, how you close 50% on the profits is you go on your phone, your mobile phone, right? You click close or you press close on the phone, right? But instead of closing directly, what you will do is you will cancel out the full volume and type the volume that you want to, close, you see. So that's how you can definitely do it. You see, that's how you can do it. So that is what I'm looking at. Okay, I just want to check on something quickly. Guys, you shouldn't panic, man. No trades, don't panic. Ish Papa, it seems like it's deciding on the direction now. Like, look at the 4-hour chart. That's a double top. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, the market is consolidating quite a lot, but it's fine. So this is what we're looking on Euro USD, right? We're looking to sell Euro USD. Scaling it down now on a 1-hour chart. We need confirmation. This has to break, you see. I had initially targeted this point. This was my sell point, you see. But it's already executed, and now we are on the downward movement. Let's quickly check on gold. Gold is a great opportunity because it pays out quite a lot. You see, it's also on the same movement. It's currently on the OTE. You can see it hit the OTE. Beautiful entry on the OTE for intraday trading purposes, right? We're still holding some of the sells. I had entered gold as a swing trade, right? As you can see here. It's on a 970 loss. However, the opportunity is quite good in terms of take profit. You see, yeah, 697 profit per trade. You see, so the downfall, which will be the same measure in terms of pips, looking at this point here, all the way to the downside here, will be the same measure. You see. So I'm looking to take profit at that point. You see, and definitely it has to come. It's a continuation point. It has to come. Looking at all analysis, this has to be supported. You see, it's just a matter of being patient with everything. But $5,000 worth of an opportunity here. 755 comes 5 trades. 3,000 plus 697 times 2 trades. Yeah, 8,944 worth of profit. So gold, I gave out a sell stop on gold, 1.18. What am I saying? This is the sell stop that I gave. However, you can see once the zone gets broken, we're going to go further down, you see. So here I'm looking for the market not to give a clear, however, once we get it, we are super in, we're super in. So let's just wait on it. This is gold, sell stop. Gold sell stop. 18 TP 18 I think it was 1856. If you exercise proper risk management, you don't need to put a stop loss. Stop loss is part of risk management, but I use it as part of money management and trade management. You see, obviously we are different traders. We do whatever we want with our experience. So that is gold. GBPUSD, quickly. GBPUSD, I was looking for it to come to the order block here. However, I've decided otherwise, you see, because analyzing the OTE zone, same thing, we are on the OTE zone on GBPUSD. We're just waiting for it to break this bullish trend line. Breaking the bullish trend line, then we are going to the downside, right? We're going to the downside. So With GBP USD, I'm looking to sell it. At 1.31960. That is where I put my sell stop, right? 1.3190, but the perfect entry is here, right? So I've already entered on a bigger account. So I'm saying sell stop 1.31960, and then our take profit will be at the minus 61.8, 1.31200. So we are targeting about 78 pips. 78 pips. 8 pips worth an opportunity. So this may happen, they may all happen at 10 a.m. or they may happen at 12 p.m. Just take note of that. Odd USD, same thing. As this is what happens when you understand correlation. When you understand correlation, it makes it easier for you to know what to trade and when to trade. Same thing, OTE, right here. We're looking to sell it up to the 61.8. And my sell stop on the OTE, I mean on odd USD, a safe entry. That's what I'm talking about. This is just here on the break. The safe entry. So you have a sell stop at 0.72, right? 970. This is an intraday psychological level, by the way. You take profit. Looking about 141 pips. So this is your take profit. Take profit price. That is odd USD. The one that I want to analyze with you further is NASDAQ, because I told you about NASDAQ, right? So USD CHF, this is the opportunity, right? Where this is the market that we're looking. As you can see, it already broke out, came back within, retested, formed a strong convergence from this point on. Right. So here also, we're looking to buy. We're looking to buy the market. This is the opportunity that lies. We're looking to buy the market. However, our buy here is supposed to be at the liquidity zone of continuation. You see, so it won't be that much. You see, so it won't happen here. It has to happen with a buy stop. You see, it has to happen with a buy stop. So let's look at the current psychological level of USD CHF on an intraday. say 20. Yeah, somewhere just above. This is going to be a good opportunity if the market breaks out as yesterday, what it did yesterday. Then we are looking to take profit at the high liquidity zone, the sell side, which will be that point. You see? So this opportunity all the way there, it's about 167 points. 167 pips, I meant. USD CHF, USD CHF. So fine, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Now, I want us to analyze the NASDAQ together. I'm going to eliminate everything that I've done so far. Allow me to go to a 4-hour chart. It is the one. Okay, let me scale it down then. To a 1-hour chart. I want us to see a clear picture. It is a 1-hour chart. Fine. The picture, here's the picture. We were in a reversal of the bearish divergence that we experienced on NASDAQ, right? Previously, as you can see with the RSI, the market was in a strong bearish divergence, right? And the price is currently moving within the channel. You can see the price creating higher highs and higher lows, right? The price is creating higher highs and higher lows. There's higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. So we are currently at this area of the high price, right? We're currently at this area of high price on a 1-hour chart. So we're looking for the market to make a U-turn, right? From the high to the low, analyzing using the Fibonacci. Let me close this because now this thing is disturbing me. Where is it? Cool. So we are currently at this high. Using the Fibonacci, analyzing the structure of the market, right? When you check it, this is the high liquidity zone. You see, this is a significant high liquidity zone. We are looking to take the trend all the way to the 61.8, which is the previous psychological level of high liquidity zone, the buy side liquidity, you see. So we're looking to go to exactly at 11,000. Looking to hit the psychological level of 11,000. But as you know, the market will not go down the way we want. So something like this will be created. You see, more of a downtrend like this will be created. So what best way to trade NASDAQ is to sell on the liquidity zones. You see, you don't buy here, you rather wait to sell, because it's supported by sentiment currently that because of the uncertainty in the political structure in the USA, investors are not willing to invest in the stocks. Investors are not willing to, are not looking forward to buy any stock. Same as gold. That is why gold is not a safe haven at the moment, you see. So this is the type of structure that we can expect. And looking at the overall opportunity now with NASDAQ, currently, we can take it from the 50% liquidity zone to the 11,000. We're looking at 983 pips, you see. So, or 98,000, I mean 9,000 if you prefer, 9,838. So, but the correct one is this one. So we are looking at about, we're looking at about, let me check quickly, an opportunity of $9,000, 9,838 USD. That is the overall opportunity in terms of NASDAQ. However, through scaling in, we'll be able to make more. Through scaling in, we'll be able to make more. But I want to bring to your attention something that is very much important. You see, when the dollar strengthens, NASDAQ goes down. When gold strengthens, the dollar goes down. So in terms of the overall dollar sentiment, this is supported. You see, it's supported. You just need to be, well, how do I say? You just need to know when and about you must trade the opportunity, you see. So a best way to trade this one is to use a sell stop. Sell stop at 11,900, right? 11,900. That will be our sell stop. That is the first trade. And I beg you, okay, I don't know what happened. I beg you, do not, what am I saying? Do not, left, find bottom. Don't enter with high volume. Be cautious of your risk. Don't enter with high volume. Be cautious of your risk. Know what you're doing. Because now, with high volume, you're going to panic. So a small pullback can blow your account. You see, so I encourage you. Those who are using IFX, you're good. You're good. You can go as, for me, I'll go as high as 0.10. You see, because IFX is using micro lots, which is good. In terms of NASDAQ, you can invest. That's why you see Brother Archie entering quite a lot of trades, 0.07, and then he's still able to absorb the risk. Here, another 0.07, many trades, even here. And then overall, you're able to enhance, and you'll get quite a lot of trades that you'll be managing, and they'll be making profit. So we are still in that zone. We're still in that zone. So we are waiting for the market to do the right thing. For the market makers, basically, to do right by us. They must do right by us. We are not afraid. They must do right by us. We are not afraid. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from my side. As you can see here, the OTE has been delayed due to the holiday, whatever. There's nothing much, you see. Today is the 16th. It was supposed to be released. It's not there. See. Oh, NZD card. NZD card. Cool. NZD card. Same thing, basically. Same thing. See. But NZD card, do not enter yet. Just wait for the structure to confirm. You can see it went straight above the sell side liquidity. So let's wait it to break the OTE zone. So we can sell it at 0.90100. Yeah, you can sell it there. Here. Let's just wait on it. That's it. Let's wait on it. Because it's forming a continuation structure, but we need the continuation structure to first be violated before we can decide otherwise. You can see NZD did the same thing as NZD USD. It failed our structure because of the US elections. Okay, this one I already deleted, but yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it from me. Thank you very much for attending the video. I have uploaded it yesterday. Here's the trading plan. Those who were asking where's the trading plan, here's the trading plan. And then the harmonics videos are all here. And then fundamental analysis, we've not yet uploaded anything. Elliott wave, I thought I had uploaded on Elliott wave, I'll upload. And then market dimension, didn't I? We have a video on market dimension. Nasdaq is quite a lot. We've been having Nasdaq swing, S&P 500 USD, nothing yet. Swing trading Nasdaq, nothing yet. So basically this and this are the same. I'll just delete this one. NZD card, NZD USD. Yeah, I have quite a lot of videos to upload. I see, I have quite a lot of videos to upload. But in terms of lessons, guys, you know we've covered everything. Definitely we have. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Let's make money. Let's make money. Thanks, guys.